Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to upload YouTube Shorts from an iPad. So YouTube Shorts are a specific type of video content, while the YouTube app on phone offers a short option directly from the plus button. iPads do not. However, you can still upload shorts from your iPad by following the simple steps. So the video requirements for the short is that it must be in a vertical format in 9:16 aspect ratio, and the length must be less than 3 minutes, which is 180 seconds. And you can create a vertical video using iPad's camera and edit it within an app like CapCut or a free video editor. So go ahead and launch your YouTube application on your device, log into the specific account where you want to upload the video. Click on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and select the video option. Then after you select the video that you want to upload as a short, click on next in the top right. Once you do that, you can go ahead and create a title for the video that you're uploading. Choose the visibility, either public, unlisted, or private. And also select your audience, whether it's made for kids or not. Come back. You can also click on show more option and go through all these available options right here and set it according to your preference. Once you're done, click on upload, which is highlighted in black color. And once you go to the short section, and if you refresh your page or your YouTube profile, you'll be able to see that specific video right in the short section. You can go ahead and access it now. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again